My name is Christy Wallace. I'm originally from Solon, Ohio, just outside of Cleveland. In 2001, I moved to Greensboro, North Carolina, where I attended Greensboro College, graduating in 2005 and working in admissions for several years. I went back to school at High Point University, where I obtained my master's degree and worked on campus. I then went back to Greensboro College, worked for a few years, met my husband, and we got married in 2017. Currently, I work at the YMCA and impact members in our community on a daily basis, working in the wellness department, overseeing the personal trainers and group exercise. I also work at Orange Theory Fitness, which is located in Greensboro and Jamestown, here in the Triad, and it is a heart rate based interval training system. Outside of work, I enjoy running. This past summer, I had the opportunity to meet Bart Yasso, who is considered the mayor of running. And I also aspire to be like Ruth Ginsburg, working many, many years and working out on a daily basis and inspiring women and people all around her. I also volunteer with Red Dog Farm. My husband and I have fostered almost 20 dogs. Out of those 20 dogs, we have only kept one. Her name is Dixie. She is a schnoodle. She loves to sleep and loves to bask in the sun. One dog that we've had for several years is Carolina. He is 15 years old, and we've had him since 2009. He was a ring bearer in our wedding and looked very handsome in his suit. Again, my name is Christy Wallace, and I'm very excited to begin this journey at UNCG with my husband to obtain our doctorate and possibly work at a college or university teaching in the industry. Thank you.